Hey, what's up guys? So Amazon Prime Day starts early next week. It's like an early Black Friday. It's going to be running next Tuesday and Wednesday between July 12th and July 13th. Now every year for Prime Day we've seen a number of discounts on different radar detectors and a bunch for a number of different dash cams. And in this video I want to go over kind of an idea as far as what we can expect. And I'm also going to be sharing where you're going to be able to find all the latest information once all the deals start going live. So I don't know about you guys, but I love Prime Day just because it's an opportunity to buy whatever it is that I need, whether it's stuff around the house or stuff for the kids, or new countermeasures. And we're definitely going to be getting some sales on different countermeasures. And so let's go ahead and hop on over to the computer and take a look as far as some of the things that we know so far regarding what we can expect.
All right, so if you head on over to my site, vortexradar.com, and you scroll down, you'll find a link here for the different Prime Day deals. And I'll put a direct link to this down underneath the like button. Over here on this page, this is where I'm going to be compiling all the best deals that I find. So for example, if you scroll down here, this is where I'm going to post all the different radar detector deals. It's where I'm going to post all the different dash cam deals. And down at the very bottom, I'm going to be posting all the different random miscellaneous deals for stuff that can also be useful too. Now, something to be aware of before we get to Prime Day, if you go up to the top here, you'll find there's a link to where you can sign up for a free trial of Amazon Prime if you're not a member yet. Additionally, there's places to where you can actually get some free credits, basically free money. If we open up these two tabs, you'll find there's a place where you can get $10 to use towards Prime Day, and then another one here where you can get over $40. So again, just kind of go through these offers and you'll get some basically free cash, which is kind of cool. And then as far as some early Prime Day deals and a preview for some things that we can expect, for example, the unit in R4, it's on sale currently for a little over $100 off. It normally retails for $450. $449, but you can find it on right now for about $350 or a little under, so $348. So this is a really good deal for a detector with really good performance, automatic lockouts, etc. It's the longest range non-aero detector that you can find on the market right now. And then if we go take a look at the dash cam section, we've actually got a preview here for some of the VFO dash cams. So for example, they've actually announced, if we go look over here, that for Prime Day, they're going to be doing up to 25% off on a lot of their dash cams. And here's what that looks like. Some of their most popular dash cams and dash cams that I'm a big fan of, for example, there's the A119 V3 and the A129 Pro Duo. Now, if we go take a look back over here on my site, I've got those two linked just as examples, right? So we'll go ahead and pull these up here real quick. So the first one, the A119 V3, if you go take a look right now on Amazon's site, it's listed for $100, and then there's this coupon you can click on here to give you, another $15 off. So that'll drop you down to like $84 or so. But for Prime Day, it's going to drop you down to $79. So another $5 off for Prime Day. If you need it now, you can go ahead and pick it up here for $84. If you want to wait a couple days, you can get it for $79. So that's cool. Additionally, there's the A129 Pro Duo. I really like this dash cam because it comes with a 4K recording here for the front dash cam and then 1080p here for the rear. Plus Wi-Fi and buffered parking mode and a nice, really compact design and an LCD. Like, I'm a big fan of this dash cam. It's one of my go-tos. If you take a look at it right now, the normal retail price is $250, and if you want it now, you can save $30 to buy it now with this coupon. But for Prime Day, it's going to be down to $200. So it's going to be $20 less come Prime Day. And there's going to be a lot of other discounts and deals as well, most of which have not yet been announced. And so once they are, I'll be updating this page here with all the latest information and all the different discounts and deals to keep you guys posted. Something else that I'm going to be doing kind of in the background, we know that on Amazon it's going to retail for $199, but there's also places where you can maybe use some coupon codes. So for example, you've got places like Black Box My Car where right now you can see it's going to retail for $249. I don't know if they're going to be doing price matches here, but if they are, one thing that I'm going to be checking out, I'll just go ahead and add to cart real quick. Once you get to the checkout page, there's an option here for a discount code, and if you type in the code Vortex20, that's going to save you 5% off the price of the dash cam. And if they wind up doing a price match here down to $199 and you can stack the coupon on top of that, I'll definitely keep you guys posted because that'll actually wind up being a better deal than what you've got on Amazon. Will that be available? I have no idea, but that's the kind of stuff that I'm going to be keeping an eye out for to figure out exactly where I can find the best deal for you guys. And then towards the bottom, if there's anything else that can also be useful, whether it's memory cards for your dash cams or phone mounts or just any other assorted stuff that can be cool but it's not necessarily countermeasure related, I'll post deals to that as well. So things like Amazon stuff is always on sale. So normally, $50 here for one of the Echo Dots. Now it's 60% off for Prime Day. Those tend to be really discounted for Prime Day, so that's cool. And also things like if you just want to check out all of the different early Prime Day deals that are going on, you'll be able to head over to their site and see all the different maybe Prime early deals that are available. You can see different dash cams. You can go in and, categorize by whatever kind of stuff you're interested in. So whether it's automotive stuff and electronics or whatever else, you can go in here and figure out exactly what you're looking for. Not everything here is going to be great, of course, which is really kind of what I want to focus on, is to make sure you get like really good stuff here for Prime Day. But nevertheless, here's a good way where you can check out a bunch of different things. And so come Prime Day, I'll be sitting in front of the computer with a big cup of coffee, going in and updating the site here for you guys to give you all the latest deals as far as different radar detectors and dash cams, etc. And so, yeah, that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.